and so these we actually purchased ourselves to put into our bathroom cabinets. So inside of this little plain Jane box is 12 of these cabinet knobs. Let's see what they look like. So 12 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, they're all there. This is, oh wow. The screws are in their own little plastic. So you do get 2 size screws here, this one, and then this one that actually looks like it is cuttable to length. And then of course, here is the little knob. You just put your screw through, tighten, and you've got a nice little knob to open up your cabinets. Let's show you what these look like on our bathroom. And so there they are. We have installed them on our cabinets in our bathroom. And that's essentially what they look like. Nice and easy to grab and open, get inside of your cabinet in a nice, sleek, black look. So as I mentioned, we bought these ourselves. The company did not send them to us. They're great cabinet knobs. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Deuces.